Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? First. Aquarius, it's your reading and it's your card. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Three of Swords with Death. I think you both are in separation. Straightforward message. Aquarius. It was ended between both of you and you are very, very heartbroken without this person. Yes, you are feeling sad. You are feeling heartbroken. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Star, Four of Swords and Four of Pentacles. Yes, you are holding back. In recent past, you are not expressing your feelings. You are not opening up emotionally to anybody. I think there was separation. There something happened between you and your person. That way separation had happened. I think there is no equal give and take for some. So that's why you are holding back and you are doing meditation to heal yourself from that pain. Four of Swords energy. You are doing healing. And yes, you are recovering from that pain because the Star card is here. Definitely you are seeing something positive in your life other than this relationship. You started seeing something positive in your life other than this relationship especially. Then present Six of Wands, Queen of Cups and Nine of Swords. You are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work, especially in your career wise. You are getting results. Yes, you are getting recognition. And you are very caring and sharing person, Aquarius. You still have strong emotions towards this person. That's why sometimes you are getting thoughts regarding your person and you are feeling depressed. Yes, you are missing them. That's why you are feeling depressed. You are feeling anxiety. Yes, but it was temporary. It is not a permanent energy. Then future, Two of Swords, the Fool with Wheel of Fortune. Sometimes you are feeling indecisive. You are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision but you are unable to make. Maybe you want to move on from this person but still some part of you want this person back because you still have strong emotions towards this person, because you are very genuine in this relationship. Then you started living in the present moment, going with the flow. Yes, the Fool energy, very, very beautiful energy, Aquarius. And Wheel of Fortune, things are started turning out into your favor. Yeah, now you are not seeing, but in near future definitely things will turn out into your favor. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy. Then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be another Aquarius also. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Eight of Swords under the deck. Right now your person feeling stuck. So their current feelings, Aquarius. A lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking. Cards are jumping. Aquarius. Six of Cups. I think they are having hard time to express their feelings. Four of Pentacles. That's why they're holding back. For some, your person not showing their true emotions to you, Aquarius, but they are wishing for this connection. They are thinking about you a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And Four of Wands, I think for some you are in twin flame journey, for some you both could be soulmates. So Four of Wands, they want new beginnings with you, they want this happiness with you. Four of Wands energy, and yeah, they're wishing for this connection. Right now they're wishing, but they are unable to express their true feelings to you because they're feeling stuck, but they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see their intentions. I think you both have strong emotions towards each other. Temperance, yes, maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So your person patiently waiting for the right time, and maybe your person is financially very very stable and abundant. For some, they are right now concentrating on their career also, but they have strong emotions. Yes, I already told you they have strong emotions, but they are not showing their true feelings to you because Four of Pentacles with Queen of Cups. Yes, they are not expressing their true feelings to you, but they are planning to communicate with you because Knight of Swords energy, they are in rush to communicate with you. Yes, they're planning to communicate with you. You both have strong emotions towards each other, Aquarius. And patience, they want to restore the balance within themselves, and they're patiently waiting for the right time. Yeah, they're healing right now, they're thinking about you. You both are in separation, no contact situation. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Yes, they are in so much pain without you. Ten of Swords energy, they still want rebirth in this connection. They want to communicate with you, Aquarius. They are realizing that you are their happiness. And Page of Pentacles, communication, text or message or call is coming. I think you also undergoing tower moment without this person. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Past, Six of Pentacles and Judgment. I think you are in the process of making decision, Aquarius, regarding this relationship. Yes, I think you are focusing on yourself. You will stand by your power. You are taking your control back. Yeah, they are coming back. They want to communicate with you. Then it's up to you. Decision is in your hands, Aquarius, to accept or reject. Again, mutual. Page of Pentacles with Four of Cups. Definitely communication is coming. I think children's also involved in this connection. Right now you both are missing each other. You both are thinking about each other. There is missed opportunity. You both feeling bored without each other. So let's pull some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Past person return. Please wait for me. Yes, they're saying that please wait for me. Don't leave me behind. Yes, because they are coming back. Don't leave me behind. And I'm feeling sad without you. And player, for some maybe your person is a player and I still love you. So the messages are past person return. Please wait for me. Don't leave me behind. I'm feeling sad without you, player, and I still love you. These are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Nothing will come of this situation. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. So nothing will come of this situation. For some, maybe this person may be player. For some, it was a message for you. Nothing will come of this situation. For some, don't let pride get in your way. For some, maybe your person is honest. They're coming back to you. Then don't show your attitude or ego. For some, this is the message for you. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.